Man, that's mighty smart of Taurus. I tell you what, one of the most innovative gun brands right there. They made a little shelf there so you could put your chicken nugget tray right on top of the gun while you're shooting. Won't even go nowhere as this slide reciprocates. That's a blessing right there.
Standard Taurus customer here today. So that is a optic mounting plate. And what's interesting on
the optic could weigh my nuggets.
Yeah. It's everybody's got a different use for it. Most people use it for an optic. This is a Taurus TX22 competition. That is an optic mounting plate. The reason why it's mounted there as opposed to the slide is really two major factors. With a 22, it's a fairly finicky round as is. So if you were to mount an optic to the slide, which is common, you've added mass to the slide, and for a round that is pretty darn underpowered and can barely reciprocate that slide as is, you throw some extra mass on there, some extra drag. Well, now that round's gonna have to work that much harder to actually cycle the action, and thereby decreasing reliability. The other major benefit on this competition model would be the fact that the optic is not moving. It is locked in place. So as that slide reciprocates back and forth, the optic is staying put, and thereby your follow-up shots should be much quicker, much more accurate. Not a lot of negatives. Not for your chicken nuggets.
Not for my chicken nuggets.
No.
Then what's that supposed to go there?
I'd watch the video we just made.